पे नाचे हो? हाँ, मुझे रहमान साहब को आपकी एनर्जी दिखानी है। गाना कल ही लॉन्च हुआ है। कंप्यूटर्स में सब हाथ उठा रहे थे। हाँ? और कंप्यूटर्स में ही कोएड होता है, बाकी सब फील्ड में सिर्फ लड़के ही होते हैं। हाँ? बट आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर। हाय गाइस, हेलो। वेरी हैप्पी। मैं जब भी कोलकाता आता हूँ बहुत प्यार मिलता है। मैंने कोलकाता में शूटिंग भी बहुत की है। मेरी पिछली फिल्म सैम बहादुर जो थी उसकी शूटिंग भी यहाँ हुई थी, तो मुझे कोलकाता से हमेशा बहुत प्यार मिला है। तो हमारी फिल्म जो है छावा, जो एक बहुत ज़रूरी फिल्म है, बहुत वैलेंटाइंस दिवस होता है, पर इस साल छावा दिवस होगा। छावा। हाँ, मैंने इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे मीम्स देखे थे that your plan will be in the garden but legends will go to the cinema halls to watch Chhawa. You want to be a legend? हाँ? देखो जितने कपल्स हैं आउट देयर, मुझे पता है। हाँ, ठीक बोला कि नहीं? 1 घंटा प्रैक्टिस किया था मैंने, इतना सा बोलना था। But I'm so happy to see such wonderful faces, such smiling faces. And ट्रेलर देखा आपने? कैसा लगा? बहुत अच्छा। क्या अच्छा लगा? हाँ? अच्छा, एक बार जिन महान हस्ती पे हम फिल्म बना रहे हैं उनके लिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो बलिदान दिया है वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा है, तो एक बार छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की ओम नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव। थैंक यू guys.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Yes, just now you have said that 1 hour आपने 1-2 लाइन बंगाली प्रैक्टिस किया. So after watching the trailer, one thing in English we just said that goosebumps. Do you want to learn the exact Bengali word of goosebumps?
Yes, of course.
Gai kata. Gai kata. So you just say gai kata dilo.
Gai kata, okay.
No, not guy मतलब not cow. Guy मतलब body. Okay, body goosebumps.
पर ग ना हाँ।
Guy.
गा-
Dilo. Guy kata dilo. You ask a question to them.
गाय काटा दिलो ये तो अच्छी चीज सिखा दी यार
So till the time you will be in Kolkata, everywhere you will be hopping, you will just say guy kata dilo.
मैं तो अभी पुचका खाने भी जाऊंगा तो उनसे भी पूछूंगा
कि
गाय काटा दिलो
एकदम क्योंकि फुचका अलग तो विकी कहने के गाय काटा देवे है कि ना?
एक तो यार बंगाली कितनी प्यारी भाषा है यार मतलब मैं सुनता हूँ मेरे चेहरे पे स्माइल आ जाती है
एकदम. Vicky, just one question to you that we all have seen your hard work in the trailer and as much we have seen. We are waiting for 14th of February. If you can tell us and
मराठा थे एंड आई नो बंगालीज विल रिलेट टू दैट बिकॉज चाहे वो हमारे इंडिया को लेकर जितने कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हुए हैं जहाँ जहाँ वी हैड टू स्टेप अप Bengalis have always been there. चाहे वो freedom struggle हो, चाहे वो मुगल era हो, चाहे आज भी हो. Some of my dearest friends are from Bengal. सुजीत सरकार था जिन्होंने सरदार उधम बनाई थी वो कोलकाता से है and he's one of my dearest friends. So this film is a very important film because हमें हमारी history, हमारे warriors, हमारे योद्धा जो है जिन्होंने इतने कमाल के बलिदान दिए उनको भी याद रखना ज़रूरी है उनकी कहानी को आगे लेके जाना ज़रूरी है सो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म बट अ वेरी एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म इट्स गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ एक्शन इट्स अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट फिल्म एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द पोस्टर्स इट्स गॉट म्यूजिक बाय A.R. रहमान देयर इज अ सॉन्ग in our film called Jaane Tu, sung by the
my
one
God.
and only Padma Shri Arijit Singh. So there are some great minds, some great talents that have come together to make this film. You please go and watch it. You're gonna have a good time at the cinemas. I promise you. Anjeev, yes.
now we'll request for the formation. So
Love you, मेरे भाई.
Chala formation, are we all set for that? Are we all set for that?
I love you, Aryan.
So see, there is a good news for all of you. Vicky will be going more closer to you. Yes, but boundary mode. So একটু সামনে
Where
যাবে,
inside
ড্রোন
যায়?
সরে যাবে.
अंदर वाह.
There's a mark. Just look at the girls. My God, have you slept last night? Have you slept last night? No. Oh my God.
Should I go there?
He's going. He's going. Har Har Mahadev! Look at the crowd! What a panorama moment for all of us from Narayana Institute of Technology! I would request the kids to please go back. Please, I request you to please go back so that we can just make the pictures. I know you're super excited. If I would have been in your place, I would do the same. But there are certain rules and regulations.
Let's go for some time. Let's go. Chava, 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 chava.
You all look like students. Thank you so much. So now there is a surprise for Vicky as well as for all of you. I will give a countdown and something will definitely unveil now. So are we ready? Everybody,
There.
3.
There's something very special about it, guys.
1. How's it? Shobha Bile! Har Har Now we have a question and answer session for the fans. So are the volunteers ready with the cordless microphone? Are they ready with the microphone?
Do you want to ask me any questions?
No, we cannot ask so many. I will be going. Do you have a microphone? Yes. So may I know your name?
Shaunak Sinha.
Shaunak.
Yes.
Question to him.
Sir, while doing this film, you deeply had to learn about Chhatrapati Shambhaji Maharaj. So what do you think are the qualities of Shambhaji Maharaj which us Gen Zs can learn from? हम लोग क्या सीख सकते हैं उनसे अभी?
बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं जेनजीज को। तो पहली बात तो बहुत कुछ सीखना है वैसे भी पर आई वुड जस्ट गिव यू इन अ नटशेल कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया था। बाय द टाइम ही वाज जस्ट 30 years old, okay? He knew more than 13 languages. He had written books, he had written poetries. He fought the first battle at the age of 16 and then went on to win 127 battles. He fought 127 battles and he lost none. He had to carry forward the legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which is not a small thing to do. As a warrior, as a scholar, as a father, as a husband, as a friend, as a king, he was something so special, and that's why it's so important to remember him 350 years later today and for 350 years from now. And that's our small effort to make this film so that we can remember, celebrate, and literally every household in the globe should know about stories of our great warriors from India. I always keep saying कि वेस्ट में सबको इमेजिन करके सुपर हीरोज बनाने पड़ते हैं। इंडिया में सिर्फ हिस्ट्री में देखोगे ना इतने। अच्छा वो गुड़ के आइसक्रीम को क्या बोलते हैं? मेरा प्यार है गोल्डन गुड़ की आइसक्रीम।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Har Har Mahadev.
Acha, I have to give chance to that pretty looking girl. She has requested me that she's a big
I see
fan.
what you have there.
So what is that?
sweet.
This one's for you, sir. Can we get it, please? Can we get it for him, please? Somebody from the team, please give it to us. May I know your name?
Subhasha Roy, I'm a big fan, sir.
Thank you, Subhasha.
Not more than me. Oh my God, so beautiful.
Actually,
Subhasha has given me a beautiful sketch of me and my wife. And this moment was from our haldi ceremony when we were getting married. So it's a beautiful memory. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So okay, thank you so
अरे बहुत
much.
पुराना जोक है भाई।
So now it's time for us to felicitate him. So I would request.
Thank you, Subhasha, for that. Thank you so much.
I would request somebody from Narula. Yeah, Sharmishta. So over to you.
Vicky Kaushal here at NIT District Campus. And at first we will be having the felicitation. We have with us our Honorable Director of JIS Group, Satya Harjot Singh, and I will request her to present the traditional sword and a memento on behalf of JIS Group. So as we have seen
Wow,
in the
that's such an
trailer-
innovative idea, I must say.
So as we have seen in the trailer, there was a lot of talwar bazi in the movie, Shawa, and that is the reason we are presenting sir with
That is something
traditional
that
sword
it is actually priceless for him.
and a memento. Then I would request our Honorable Principal Sir, Professor Dr. Shoman Banerjee of Narula Institute of Technology to kindly present a flower bouquet and greet Mr. Vicky Kaushal on behalf of JIS Group. So can the chants and can the claps continue?
Hi, it's your college. Come on, make some noise. Are you ready?
Now I would request Dr. H.S. Majid, Dean Academics, JS
First-
University, to please come up and
Sorry.
present the Uttoryo.
Firstly, I want to say he's the most stylish principal I have ever seen.
So that's
Really,
really
sir?
a wonderful comment.
Lovely to meet you. You are an inspiration to every institute in the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And now I would request Dr. Nidhi Singh, Registrar Narula Institute of Technology, to present a gift on behalf of JI's group and the book which is being written by our Honorable Registrar Dr. Nidhi Singh, Future Ready Banking, or Banks Up to the AI Challenges. So as we know that a lot of things have been spoken about regarding artificial intelligence. So this book is really
Thank you so much.
tribute
Thank
to
you.
that. And now I would request the
Thank you, Dr.
students
Nidhi Singh.
who have taken, who have burnt the night soil and they have drawn the portrait of Vicky Kaushal. I would request all our students, can you please come up? Those of you who have made the portrait of Vicky Kaushal, please.
Oh, wow.
Please come up. All of you come together and stand.
So many photographs. Vicky's drawing room will be full
So
of
many Vicky
this
Kaushal.
portrait, I must say.
All of you please stand on a queue.
Are you excited?
So they are the students of Narula Institute of Technology who have made a portrait just yesterday night only.
Just yesterday night they have drawn this.
Yes.
My God, super talented everybody.
Thank you students, thank you so much. And now I will request all our honorable dignitaries up on the dais to please be here. All of you can't take selfie, it will be difficult. Just one of you take selfie, I think that will be great.
I would request, it is very difficult for him
Thank you everybody.
say no to anybody. Thank you so much, thank you.
All of you, sir is having a very busy schedule.
Thank you so much, thank you.
I will request all our honorable dignitaries to kindly come up. Thank you. Thank
सबके
you.
साथ थोड़ा difficult है. Thank you so much. Thank you. So sir, I would just request you for one fan picture.
Just a
with
minute,
everybody.
the balloons.
Balloons,
I
what?
will- yes.
Oh, he will, okay.
I will request our honorable director sir to please come up forward. Yes, can all of you please come up? The officials from the JIS head office, everybody please.
Wow! Are we all ready? Music on!
3, 2, and 1. Yeah, let's go! So we wish.
Thank you so much. Thank you everybody.
Shama movie.
अच्छा एक छेड़े दे एक जाएगा एक छेड़े दे थैंक यू सो मच আপনাদের অনেক ধন্যবাদ थैंक यू एक जाएगा I would request all of you please thank you so much everybody thank you so much if I have to allow you have to allow everyone thank you so much we'll just do one fun photo आपने तो फैकल्टी आप अगर ऐसे करेंगे तो स्टूडेंट लोग क्या करेंगे थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वेरी टाइम थैंक यू
One second. Before I leave,
We will have one group picture.
Music time to both the photo.
Please come up.
one second. Listen, I want to do something iconic over here. करें? एक छोटा सा आइडिया है. हमारा एक गाना है तूफान. AR रहमान साहब ने म्यूजिक किया है, उन्होंने गाया. इट्स अ वेरी हाई एनर्जी सॉन्ग. मैं एक वीडियो बनाना चाहता हूँ और AR रहमान सर को भेजना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure. It's extremely pleasure to host